Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Ashish Mohindroo. I'm Vice President for Product Marketing for Oracle Cloud. And today we'll be talking about how do you migrate and improve your Oracle applications to Oracle Cloud infrastructure. When we first architected our Oracle Cloud infrastructure, we based it on two principles. One was that we have to be able to run new cloud native applications. And the second was you have to also be able to run all your existing on-premises workloads, and especially enterprise applications that you're running on your own data centers in Oracle Cloud. Now, in order to do that, we built this on 5 foundations. One was it has to be very secure. Just like your enterprise applications running within your data center are secure, we wanted to make sure we're able to provide you security at every layer of the cloud versus it being bolted on. The second thing was it had to be really high performant. We wanted to make sure at minimum you were getting the performance you're achieving within your own data centers, but ideally significantly better than what you get today. The third was we wanted to build in more automation into our cloud so that you don't have to worry about mundane tasks. So we eliminate errors. A lot of the issues in the cloud today occur due to human errors. We wanted to make sure we were able to eliminate all of that and deliver you services which are self-driving, self-repairing, self-securing. Things like what we deliver with Oracle Autonomous Database and Oracle Autonomous Linux. Fourth was with all these capabilities, we wanted to make sure that you were getting the best economics of running your workloads, your applications in Oracle Cloud. Oracle wanted to make sure you had the lowest total cost of ownership, not only compared to your on-premises environments, but also compared to other third-party cloud providers like AWS or Azure. And the fifth and the final point is about open ecosystem. We understand that you don't just run your Oracle applications in a silo. You connect these applications with third-party products or applications. You build customizations on top of that. So you wanted to make sure you had choice on how you did this, and also the tools and technologies that you wanted to use to accomplish those tasks. So with Oracle, we wanted to build an open environment where you can bring in your own tools, leverage any open source technologies out there, along with Oracle products. The net result of all of this is that Oracle today, in terms of performance, performs much better than any of our other cloud providers, including AWS. And in general, compared to AWS, we are 2 to 5x faster. And finally, Oracle also is the only vendor in the market, cloud provider in the market, that guarantees SLAs across performance, management, and availability. Oracle is also consistently less expensive than AWS and other cloud providers across a wide range of cloud services. So if you look at just outbound network bandwidth or data egress, with Oracle, you get about 74% savings. It's a huge cost for most of the customers that are building applications in the cloud or transitioning to the cloud to run the existing workloads. Second, it's actually 2x better in terms of price performance compared to AWS for general memory compute. We also deliver 44% lower cost for running high performance computing workloads while giving you the same performance as you experience on premises. And fourth, in terms of storage, we give you 20x the IOPS compared to AWS at half the cost. Now, just don't take my word for it. If you look at the recent analyst reports from Gartner and IDC, Gartner did a recent evaluation and a scorecard on IaaS cloud providers, ranking up all vendors from Oracle, AWS, Azure, and so on. And Oracle was the vendor in terms of the biggest improvement across all these cloud service categories. And if you look at the customer satisfaction survey that IDC recently did, Oracle had the highest score, beating out all other cloud providers, including AWS and Azure. Now, over the last few years, Oracle has been, we've at Oracle have been investing heavily in building out our cloud regions to deliver services to you wherever you may reside across the globe. And today we are at 26 cloud regions worldwide, more than AWS. And also we are planning another 10 over the course of the next year to add on to this to the total of 36 cloud regions worldwide. In terms of Oracle applications, we have done a significant amount of work to certify majority of our applications from eBusiness Suite, JD Edwards, PeopleSoft, Siebel, and additional industry apps on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. So these applications, you can be rest assured, run seamlessly on top of our Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. And in terms of the value to you, because they're certified, we're able to deliver 45% lower total cost of ownership compared to on-premises. And if you're thinking about moving these applications to another cloud, we deliver 63% lower total cost of ownership compared to AWS. And the way we are able to do that is by delivering you better tooling. So we have a set of tools that enables you not only to migrate these applications over to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, but also to manage them while they're running on top of our OCI. As I mentioned earlier, we've already certified these applications on OCI, including our database stack. So a lot of these applications are now certified to run on top of Oracle Autonomous Database. And what we have is also provided you with validated solution architecture guides and certified solution blueprints that you can use to actually run your workloads with ease. And finally, since all of these layers from infrastructure, database to applications are all provided by a single vendor like Oracle, we're able to deliver much better quality of support at a much lower price to you. One of the customers or companies that benefited from this is IAC. IAC is it's a conglomerate which runs about 150 global brands. It's a parent company of about 150 global brands. And they moved their eBusiness Suite application from on-premises to Oracle Cloud. And in the process, they were able to generate 35% better performance on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure compared to the on-premises environment. So let's go ahead and hear from them.
IAC is a company that has over 150 different internet products and brands. It's multiple different companies like Vimeo, Match, Angie's Home Services, and we're constantly evolving, mainly through mergers and acquisitions. We have about 22 different third-party companies that we need to interact with. We've been on OCI now for a few months, and we've found a world of difference compared to the old hosted environment. Our customers, our accounting and finance teams are thrilled. Our Oracle EBS performance is about 35% more, and we find that our S-based calculations run 50% faster on the new infrastructure. I've worked with Oracle Advanced Customer Service Group for a very long time now. We did not have any delays. We managed to do everything on time, on budget. IAC is always at the forefront of technology, and these days technological changes are happening very fast. So the move from the hosted environment to the OCI environment is our first step. And we are hoping from here we can move to the SaaS and PaaS environments. Oracle Advanced Customer Service team has been very supportive of us right from the beginning. So if we have to move from OCI to SaaS, for example, we would definitely be looking up to them to tell us, okay, this is what we need to do, and this would be the process that we would do it.
Another customer that actually moved these applications to Oracle Cloud is Care. Care is a nonprofit, and they wanted to move PeopleSoft from their on-premises environment to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. And by doing that, they were able to reduce their overall global finance costs by 65%. Now let's go ahead and hear from Care about their journey.
With some of India's high maternal mortality and infant mortality, people had actually lost hope that Bihar would ever be able to transform itself. When you see the face of a mother who's delivered a healthy baby, you can't help but feel hopeful. And today, Bihar is a shining example of if you have the commitment, the will, and the right tools to create the impact, anything is possible. So with the support of Oracle Cloud Infrastructure and with the government of Bihar, Care is accelerating organizational change, transforming societies at large, helping millions of people, and even saving lives.
That humanitarian mission is something that we continue to do. But over the years, we have shifted a lot of our work towards long-term, sustainable socioeconomic development. So we chose Oracle Cloud Infrastructure because it's really designed to facilitate the management of PeopleSoft financials. We have been able to speed up our batch processes, which means that in emergency settings, we can really stay ahead of the curve in terms of our implementations. On the savings side, we have been able to actually reduce our global finance function cost by 35%. Over the last 5 years, our audit fees have come down 65%. As we're making financial commitments, we don't have to wait for 24 hours for processes to run. They run every 30 minutes. I think what our partnership with Oracle around PeopleSoft and cloud has given us is that we know the infrastructure isn't going to fail. We work around the world to save lives, to defeat poverty, and to achieve social justice.
Now, everything you saw today so far, that you saw from our customers and their journey of moving to the cloud, you can actually try it by yourself by simply signing up for a free trial of Oracle Cloud. All these services are available for you for free for up to 3,500 hours. Simply go to oracle.com/cloud.